Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal. I hope you all will be fine and your family will take care of themselves. Welcome back to Arbaaz Crime Talking. Like, subscribe and comment. Any doubt, comment in comment box. Your doubt can in next video. Let's start a serial killer data. About 28 serial killers in my list. Start now. The Carl Panzerman. Carl Panzerman time period is 1922 to 1930. 10 years. Yes. What they killed is only 20, not a 20, 21 victims to starting that. To the 1924 to about 1928, about there was the time period, the properties to victims, hit the set and rape it. About the for a dead bodies to 1972, about the Arthur Jennings for its. Next is a 1888 Jack the Ripper, Whitechapel's London serial killers how to eat. But their 19 alien warnings to about it, the Second World War to said, but there was a jail cell to about this said. But they noticed to answer genes on the female body parts to about the cut and eat, about like a gruesome and brutal serial killer in my list. For that's the in the 1888, 1994, about 24. It's time to it the 100 years ago to count it. I said it too loud. But don't allow the earlier scene. Watched the man, woman, and this the tankish serial killers, the garments to the sad whims to sad lad is that this is the serial killers the very profit upon this their shops and heats whites to its night to Whitechapel's London's to heats. I took the prefer cutting to say that the prefer the hospital to about like the Richard Demer to the Robert Hansen to the Harlot man. But there was nothing as short shit. His was no more, he is the dad, but there was a mysterious serial killer in the Whitechapel. Next, Tommy Lyland of the Zodiac serial killer Jack the Ripper. The Zodiac serial killer identified his face in my third video about 1978 date is January. Yes, January. It's 5 victims. Yes, 5 victims. About this why the time period to now to 30 minutes. He one killed. Why? I don't know. About this, the Otis Today early date and to very friendly like the Hera Fairy about this the in Hindi. But there was not on the relatives are prime ministers and presidents for a seat for the Seychelles with the cameras to count it. But the man the part his friend is the marriage about this he kills in the one pistol about 1988. Yes, musket. No, handgun. Yes, one soldier about there was. But there was no note G sale about his sack. I can't believe this. 1920, they prefer cutting on the Adam serial killers to that. But she is not the Otis Today, Early Dawn, and the Eddie Jane, Arthur Sodes, always there. Okay, next serial killer is Otis Today. Otis Today is his relative. For 1961 to 1983, he is a very long time period in killing. It is only 6 victims. Yes, no more than. But 61 many more. One family about this. What they add the stupid. I can't believe this. To sad the prime minister and the political. So sad is the big superheroes. Now to it's the Salman Khan, Shah Rukh Khan. Not this in the serial killer, the American serial killer for a German Shepherd. It's the joke. Now to this now. Let's start. Eddie Jane about there was notice G sale to the president and reports. On the 1961 to the 6 victim, 5 victim, I don't know, but there was the I know areas for the who cases. I don't know early Naslon. Next week is the early Naslon. Early Naslon time period is 1927 and 6 victims only 1927, but there was no more list in their heads. His properties, various properties, one. His door in the night, open in the night about the Whitechapel's London to kill about it. But there can't two dance. I took one. About to side it. For that is the part 1 and part 2. But he time period the part 1, part 2. This is not my video part. My video is the one big part. No more part. But there was time period of part 1, part 2 in 1924 at the paper. But there was the G sale to about his the cameras, the finished the lights, the properties, the bad rights, girls and some boys. Upon the next case is 1989, the Alan Warnes. This is a female serial killer on America. This interview is the very hardest and very scariest interview in this world. What? I can't. Like this time, I saw this the fish, for the Albert fish. Yes, in the 1924 to 1998. But there was in the face is the very two eyes, one nose. No, he's not two eyes, one nose. 7 kills upon there was. Only 7 kills. You know, you only 7 kills. When he's a matter, and get better. But he's the better, and the matter. His sentence is quote, I killed at the serial killers. Like the left. He is playing cricket of this. He is the man about to rape the dead bodies to side it like a Ted Bundy about 30 time periods to side it now to 128 CE. But there was no turn. The 7 serial killers so about this my list and the 30 serial killers in my list, 7 killers in my list upon the part 2 for it. Okay, let's start in 1989. After 1929 and Peter Cotton, not a Peter Parker. I'm sorry, Peter Cotton. He killed 9 victims. Yes, he killed 9 victims is one family and 2 more than. But there was a journal effort to set it for a C1 mate. About there was a note a journal had caused for the one property made is like a doctor for. But there was no, it is the dad that the stand about this in one stat line. I don't know, but there was not a it. And can't believe this. You believe this? No. Next is the Adam Comper. Adam Comper. This is a Philippine serial killers. All serial killers killed in America. Very brutal and gruesome serial killers about the prime ministers to sad it that killed in the tanker of the urine for lights in the bed, the shortest rods and the 14 victims to 9 and 11 victims to sad it. That there was no to Evan and for the buttons to end get it. I just can't. Arthur Shokar. He killed the 14 victims. I don't know his time period, but there was a no time period about this 1 year and the 1 year about this the G string. And but the always serial killers the G cell 1, 2, 3, 4 and the dash the white rest in the PP2. Not a cushion. Is Albert killed the 3 victims to it. Not mind to about like a joker about this night hit. But there was no the properties about the trees in like one camera about his pocket one is the microphone. It's like a films in the dark web. Next serial killer is the Richard Rance. You know the serial killer Richard Rance. This is a famous serial killer 1984 to 1985. Only 1 year time period. He killed the 14. Like this, the Otis told in 1961 to 1983. He kills only 16 victims. 6. But his time period is only 1 year. 1 year. But he kills 14. Like 6 or 14. Why this? 6 and 14. And the eyes to about it, the nose to guide it, we believe it. His musket is a very big now to it's just the like a one imam on a masjid for Richard Ramos. Next he killed the 1884 bell damaged the 5 inches to the oil containers. He killed the oil containers on the antitic acid. Or he said it one. But there was no Alan Warnes to sad it. At the hour points there, it's the hour. Can't believe this. I can't in the 1 floor in the it's and 2nd floor hit. He killed a very big places upon there was a left, he's a lefty. But there was a 1997 to 1978 of the Jeffrey Dahmer. Yeah, this is a very famous serial killer in America. He is an acid serial killer. I'm not sad acid serial killer. All America's sad acid serial killer. His skill and photograph 1 hole in mind and he's anti acid. He's a like a chatpata. He's a chatpata boys. What is like a chapri out toot. If I am an Indian to Arthur the Socrates, do you want the G said to about it? He is a lefty. All civilians is a lefty, no. But there was in the 1970s. Next, Robert Hansen. 1972 and 1983. He killed the 17 victims to about this. The 96 5, 4, 3, 1. Here's start on the 3. He killed the 16 victims on field. But there was no more about the one accused by police and the encounter like a weapon to add side around like the hate police. Next is the Card Pansaman. Card Pansaman killed 21 victims. Yes, you know right. 21 victims in 1920 to 1930. 10 years time period, 21 victims. What? 1 year, 2 victims. 6 months. After 6 months, he gave so after 6 months. I know, but there was not very long count of the Tommy Lyland sales to 214 to about 2022. I don't believe this. The Harriet H. Homeless with the night to about this. This video is very long, so I short it. For the Mariam Chocolates. Mariam Chocolates is a property serial killer. So about this. But see, here there was a G sale about this wanted. This is a wanted serial killer in the Philippines to about the brutal and gruesome murders to side and the eat these murders to about this the not a clue about their house, but there was stands to about this now to it now to, and the handle of door he is and step on mind about this wall, but there was no more serial. But Indian next serial is a Indian serial. Yes, many more serial are Raman Raghav. Raman Raghav killed in 1965 to 1968 of 41 victims. I am sad to know this. Next is the Ted Bundy 1946 to 1989. You know the Ted Bundy? In my second video, the replacing Ted Bundy, the Ted Bundy. So you see this video, okay? Next video. This serial is Indian. Akantar Shakira. He killed 71 victims. Yes, you listen perfectly. 71 victims in 1977 and 1978. Wait, only 1 year 71 victims. Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 71 victims. Only 1 year. This is not a fair expression. This is a real expression. Only 1 year. He killed 71 victims. Next serial killer is the Harlot Shipman. He killed 218 victims. Yes, you listen perfectly. This is the most gruesome and brutal. This is a doctor. Yes, but there is not a lack morphine. Morphine is a like a anesthesia to about this type. Anesthesia is not a name. Anesthesia is a medicos, drugs. He gave drugs and patients to kill them. Next serial killer is the John Van Crazy. In 1978 to 1988, he killed 33 victims in our time period to Saturday. I don't believe this to Saturday in 1972 about there was to Saturday, but the G cell to went to the on the log of humans to Saturday 1965 to 1968 to 41 victims to Saturday. Okay, I know the H. Homeless, he killed 27 victims. Indian Robert, he killed 178 victims. And the final serial killer. H. Homeless is not a final serial killer, but B. Bornus is a final serial killer. He killed 380 victims. Yes, 380 victims. Only 1 year. In 1972 upon 1973. Only 1 year. He killed 300 victims. 380 victims. Why? 1 day 1 victim. No, this is a many victims. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and comment. Arbaaz Time Talking. To see many more videos. So like the subscribe and Arbaaz Time Talking. And doubt comment in comment box. Your doubt in next video. Thanks for watching.